Hey guys, time for the specialist unboxing of my life from QiYi Shop. QiYi MS 2x2. I was really excited to get this the day I ordered it because I was in need of a new 2x2. This one was very bad. It was terrible. Too many lockups. I wanted to get a PB, so I ordered this. So let's see how it goes. Also got a surprise that came in my package. I got cube stands. Now the reason I got cube stands is because I'm tired of throwing cubes into my little shelf and like getting them out. Keep on losing them. I wanted something decorative, so I got 5 cube stands. So getting the cube stands out of the way, I will get into the rest of the cubes. I'll get into this cube. Let's get it open. Let me open this. Let's hit that. Finally, I got it. Oh, you do that. Ah, jeez. Yep, I'm gonna have to wipe this lube off. Okay, I wiped it off, so now let's get into first turns. Wow. So, first thing, it's dry. Ah, jeez. But it's also very quiet. So quick thing, I really like this cube. After I set it up, you can see the time lapse when it comes. Okay, so let's see if this actually goes. Wow. This is a very quiet cube. While I was turning, I realized immediately that this cube was smaller than I expected. It's smaller than my old main, and it was hard to adjust to. And I think that this cube is the right size for me. But this feels a little too small. But I think I can adjust with it. Other thing is, these magnets are like strong, which will be very useful for my turning, because I turn really fast. The build quality is quite low. Not low, medium, but it's a budget cube. So it has primary internals, and the magnets are visible. This is for beginners, and somehow it feels quite good. Feels a little too loose, though. The tension's even. Yeah, they're even. And 45 degrees corner cutting. Okay, corner cutting is where it struggles. Reverse corner cutting is also good. I hear some spring noise in the cube. Probably will fix that later. First, let's just try to add some lube and see what happens. For those of you that is January 1st for you guys, Happy New Year. Because it's almost New Year for us, maybe in like a couple days. Not a couple days, but actually a couple hours. So Happy New Year to you all that is January 1st. I'm happy that 2020 ended because of all the nasty torture of COVID. But all the cubes in 2020 were actually pretty good, according to QiYi MS. So, what do I think about this? Well, this cube is great. It's fast, it's quiet, but one problem I have is that it's too loose out of the box. And there's some spring noise. I shall remove that spring noise myself later when I set this cube up. First, I'm going to tighten it a little bit because it seems a little too loose. Okay, I'm trying to tighten this, but I think I accidentally loosened it. Almost popped. Okay, so corner cutting isn't that good, but it's okay. Whoa, okay. This side seems a little intact. Yeah, I might tension this later, but right now, it's pretty good. Yeah, corner twisting just got too easy. Yeah, I might just set this up as well. Let me try to solve. It's pretty good. Also, I'm gonna put this up to the mic. Listen how quiet this is. Okay, so I will do some solves with this cube and give you all the remaining results. Right now, I'm 100% thinking that this will be my main. Although, I'm not sure yet because there's size differences. Yeah, I'll show you size difference a little bit more up close. Okay, it has been 10 minutes and I was really annoyed at the spring noise while I was using this cube. So I fixed the spring noise by, of course, lubricating the springs. And no more spring noise. So I have to do a setup on this. I will do a setup time lapse. And yeah, we'll see how this goes. If it goes well, yeah, that's it. This video's not over yet. I'm going to be setting it up and showing you a time lapse. Right now it's really fast, but also controllable because of the strong magnets that I told you about. We'll be tensioning this, so get ready for that time lapse. And yeah, we will see how this goes. I have set it up. The time lapse may look small, but I took 30 minutes on setting this up. Now it sounds like this. Really great 2x2. Oh yeah, I forgot. Need to add some lube because I cleaned it out. So that'll be it, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe. Check out my channel for new videos coming up. I know this was like a double upload. I know it was because I had 2 unboxings to do. And make sure to check out speakgiftshop.com. The service is great. And this QiYi MS 2x2 is also pretty good. Because of how complex QiYi's mechanism was, I was able to assemble this thing in no time, which was pretty good. Because I'm not that good at assembling cubes. Sorry, tensioning. Well, yeah, that's all we all say. Anyway, this is it for the video. If you liked it, please subscribe. I'm going to be doing some more tensioning to this cube, just to make sure it's okay. And yeah, if I find a tension that I like, I'll have fun with this. I'll make a review video on after I set it up, lubed it, tensioned it, and do like about 100 solves on it. I can show you a couple solves right now. Yeah, I think I can show you a couple solves. I will get myself ready, and you guys will have fun. I will be doing an average of 6, and this will be pretty fun because I'm excited to do some solves with my new 2x2, especially with how quiet it is. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be really good inside my house because of how quiet this is. My square one's also really quiet. I don't turn it that fast. This I turn really, really fast. So yeah. Okay, pretty good. So I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe, check out my channel for more videos, even unboxings. I may do a tutorial soon. And if you want to pick up this cube, then go to speakqiyishop.com and make sure to buy it from there. QiYi is the best store. Never gonna get old. It's never gonna get old. Their products and service is really good. Anyway, if you like this video, please subscribe, check out my channel, and I will be out. Peace out, brothers and people. Just a quick note, please subscribe. I am losing subscribers, rapid speed. Yeah, I don't know what's bad about my channel, guys. If you know what's bad about it, if you know something that's not even good in it, please tell me, and I will fix it up in the next video. And I'll try new video types if you guys think my content is boring. Okay? So yeah, that's the last announcement I have to make. So yeah, peace out, everybody.